Pangolin is one of the world's most unique and mysterious mammals, covered in tough, overlapping scales made of keratin, the same material found in human fingernails. Pangolin uses these scales as armor, curling into a tight ball when threatened, making pangolin nearly impenetrable to predators.
Pangolin lives in parts of Asia and Africa, inhabiting forests, grasslands, and savannas.
Pangolin is a nocturnal creature, emerging at night to search for food with a keen sense of smell. Pangolin feeds almost exclusively on ants and termites, using a long, sticky tongue that can reach deep into insect tunnels. Pangolin has no teeth, so pangolin relies on small stones in the stomach to help grind up food. Pangolin uses strong claws to tear open anthills and termite mounds, showing remarkable strength and precision.
Pangolin moves slowly and deliberately, sniffing the ground and trees for chemical trails left by insects.
Pangolin walks on hind legs with the front limbs curled under, protecting the sharp claws. Pangolin is an expert climber and can scale trees with ease, especially in forested regions. Pangolin also digs burrows that can be several meters long, providing shelter from heat and predators. Pangolin is a solitary animal and prefers to live and travel alone except during mating season.
Pangolin reproduces once a year, usually giving birth to a single offspring.
Pangolin cares for the baby in the safety of a burrow or carries the young on the tail while foraging. Pangolin baby stays with the mother for a few months before becoming independent. Pangolin is highly vulnerable to poaching due to the high demand for pangolin scales in traditional medicine and illegal wildlife trade.
Pangolin is considered the most trafficked mammal in the world, despite international protections. Pangolin populations have declined rapidly in many regions, leading to endangered status for all 8 pangolin species. Pangolin conservation is now a global priority, with organizations working to stop illegal trade and protect habitats.
Pangolin plays a vital role in the ecosystem by controlling insect populations, consuming thousands of ants and termites each day.
Pangolin helps maintain ecological balance in forests and grasslands.
Pangolin has adapted over millions of years to a specialized diet and lifestyle, making pangolin highly sensitive to environmental change.
Pangolin requires large territories with abundant insect colonies to survive.
Pangolin is elusive and rarely seen in the wild, making scientific study difficult and increasing the mystery surrounding pangolin behavior. Pangolin has poor eyesight but excellent smell and hearing, compensating well in dark or underground environments.
Pangolin relies heavily on olfactory senses to locate prey and avoid danger.
Pangolin is often mistaken for a reptile because of the scaled appearance, but pangolin is a true mammal. Pangolin's body temperature and metabolism are lower than most mammals, reflecting adaptation to a specialized diet. Pangolin can live up to 20 years in the wild, although few survive that long due to poaching.
Pangolin is featured in myths and folklore in various cultures, often symbolizing protection or secrecy.
Pangolin's shy and gentle nature makes pangolin a favorite among conservationists and wildlife enthusiasts. Pangolin has become a symbol of illegal wildlife trafficking awareness, featured in global campaigns.
Pangolin needs urgent action to ensure survival for future generations.
Pangolin thrives only where insect prey is plentiful and natural habitats remain undisturbed.
Pangolin does not fare well in captivity, as pangolin has very specific dietary and environmental needs.
Pangolin is often rescued from illegal traders but struggles with rehabilitation due to stress and poor adaptation. Pangolin benefits from anti-poaching laws, education efforts, and habitat restoration projects worldwide.
Pangolin inspires awe not only for the strange and beautiful appearance but for the incredible evolutionary journey.
Pangolin's survival is tied to human choices, from enforcement of laws to support for protected areas.
Pangolin should be celebrated, studied, and protected as one of Earth's most remarkable creatures. Pangolin represents both a conservation challenge and a beacon of hope for global wildlife.